This video demonstrates how to conduct a text search for a variety of records at the same time. Search module, text. At the top of the window, the objects to search through. Checking and unchecking will include those in the search. There are two text boxes, three Boolean operators in between, or, and, but not. Search in the bottom right-hand corner. Online help, of course. Include eDoc archives. If you are using the eDoc archive, that can be checked and the search will go through the archive at the same time. In this example, in the first text box, training, search. We have 11 records being found that are file folders. One click, and there's the records being displayed. Search or back in the top right-hand corner. Archive boxes, there they are there. Back in the top right-hand corner. 114 electronic documents, and there they are there being displayed. The word training has been found somewhere within the eDoc profile or within the actual electronic document itself. Back to take you back to the search result. Back to the search criteria. Now, in the second set of words for this example, seminar. Seminars. Training with the Boolean operator of or. Training or seminars. There we are. So we still get a large volume of records. Go back. Now let's change the Boolean operator to and. Search. The search result drops quite dramatically. Back. Now change the radio button to but not. Search. And the search result will change once again. It's possible to type both words on the first line, training, seminars. The Boolean operator of and will be applied the more words you type on the one line, training and seminars and email, for example. Search. There are 7 file folder records. Let's have a look at those. There they are. Training and seminars. Back to the search criteria. To use a phrase search, use the quotation marks. Open quotes, close quotes. That means the exact phrase of training seminars has to be found. Search. We only have one file folder record now. When we view that file folder record, there's the phrase training seminars. Back again. Back to the search criteria. We could also use a wildcard when we're doing a text search. For example, train asterisk, which is the wildcard. Search. When we have a look at the file folder records that were found, training, train, trainer, and so on. Using a wildcard will allow searches to be conducted on parts of a word, parts of a name. It's possible to put the wildcard anywhere within the search string.